This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by turning on access so connections can happen. Open System Settings, go to Sharing, and enable Screen Sharing or Remote Management depending on your needs. Screen sharing is simplest for Mac to Mac. Create or verify a local user account with a password so authentication works. Once done, write down the host address shown, either the local host name or the IP like 192, 168, 145 because you'll use it to connect. Make sure your Mac's firewall allows incoming screen sharing. Now you open the client and make the connection. On another Mac, choose Finder right arrow, go right arrow, connect to server and type vnc/hostname. Local or use the screen sharing app. Enter the account credentials when prompted. If connecting from Windows, iPad, or Android, install Microsoft Remote Desktop for RDP or a VNC client for Mac screen sharing. Use the IP and the same username/password. Once connected, adjust resolution and scaling for readability, and enable clipboard or file transfer so you can move text. Finish by securing the session and knowing how to fix common failures. If you'll connect over the internet, use a VPN or set up an SSH tunnel rather than exposing VNC directly. That protects passwords and screen data. If a connection fails, make sure the firewall allows port 5900 or the RDP port for Microsoft Remote Desktop, and that any router forwards it to the correct IP. If things still fail, restart screen sharing, recheck the username/password, and test connecting from another device on the same network first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.